So the first step was, okay, he finished wash and rinsed out my hair because I came in with conditioner. So they're applying the chemical onto my hair, and they're starting from the root and then working it all the way down to the ends of my hair, just so they can apply the product evenly. Michael Lee did recommend that he does the process twice because my hair is very curly and kinky, in other words. They then started combing the product. So once they had finished distributing the product throughout my hair, they started applying it directly to my roots and then combing it out and pushing it evenly throughout my hair. The next step was to wash my hair, and oh my word, the place where you wash your hair is amazing. The chair lifts up and you feel so like spa-like. So they just rinsed out the product with cool water. So it says that you cannot use hot water on your hair once you use this product. So they literally just washed my hair with lukewarm cooling water, and as you can see, like, your head has a nice headrest in the basin, which is amazing. So yeah, that was very relaxing as well. Then the next step was to just finger dry your hair, and they used their fingers and the hair dryer on a cooling setting. So they just finger dried it until it was 70% dry, and they literally just put their fingers through my hair and work the blow dryer in my hair using the cooling air from the hair dryer. And Michael Lee used 2 hair dryers at one time, and then his assistant used 1 hair dryer. The next process was to apply the product again. So this is the second time applying the perm in my hair, and this was on the 70% dry hair. So as you can see, my hair is quite straight at the moment. So they were mainly focusing on my roots, because my roots were a little bit more curly than the ends of my hair. So they just focused more of the product on my roots and blended it towards the ends of my hair at the end. So yeah, as you can see, they just applied it similar to how you apply a straightener, and then they finger dried your hair after they washed it. They would just finger dry the hair with the hair dryer. Then to set the product in your hair, they used a hair iron, and you can see they're using tiny sections of my hair to straighten the hair. So they use a tiny piece of my hair, and then they use the flat iron on my hair and they straighten it. So I think this just molds the hair into that straight, sleek look. So they focused on tiny sections. That's why the process is so long. It's a 4 to 5 hour process, but in the end it's all worth it. And as you can see, they start with the roots and then they work their way down to the ends of the hair. So it's literally 4 times on the roots and then once down the ends of the hair. Then they used a neutralizer on my hair. So once my hair was ironed, they take a neutralizer and they apply it to the roots and then the ends of the hair. And this just also helps to soften the hair and to set the product in your hair, which was amazing, because I was worried that my hair was going to feel a bit straw-like after using this product. But with the neutralizer, it helps to soften the hair. And then we washed it out and then blow dried my hair using the cooling setting on the hair dryer and finger dried my hair. And this is the result of my hair. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm so happy. As you can see, it's very straight and sleek. They also I needed to dye my hair, so they dyed my hair with a black plant-based product, and they just put that on my roots. Because I have grey hair, they applied it to my roots, and then I had to sit with it for a few minutes, and then they washed it out, and then blow dried my hair, finger drying my hair with the hair dryer on a cooling setting. And as you can see, it's very sleek, almost like I have ironed my hair, but it's so pretty. And then because my hair was very dead at the ends, he decided to trim it. So he trimmed my dead ends and my bangs. So this is my hair just blow dried on its own, no ironing, nothing. It's just a blow dry with cool setting. So like cool setting on a blow dry, and comes out pin straight. I'm so happy, oh my word, this is crazy. So cool. So this took 10 minutes to do, so that means I can do this every morning. Yay! Hello.
Nice to meet